Do you want to invest consistently without lifting a finger? Want to let your investments run by themselves so you can sleep peacefully at night? Well, you can. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, you'll learn how to set up automatic investments on Fidelity, for stocks, ETFs, and mutual funds, all on autopilot in under 5 minutes. Using recurring investing, otherwise known as dollar cost averaging, has been a proven way to invest consistently for maximum compound growth. Instead of dumping your money all at once and worrying about market timing, you invest a set amount on a regular schedule, whether the market's up or down. This helps you buy into your investment regardless if prices are high or low, as in the long term, your average cost will smooth out over time. It takes the emotion out of investing and helps you build long-term wealth, which inevitably will help you sleep well at night. Simple, steady, and powerful. Let's dive right into it. So when you're on your Fidelity homepage, how you set up recurring investments is you're gonna click on the transact icon at the very bottom middle here, so click on that. And once you see this page, you're going to click on automate. Once you click on automate, you're going to see recurring investment here, recurring transfer, smart habit, and recurring activity. So you're going to click on recurring investment. So click on that. And once you click on that, you're going to come to this page here where you're going to see your security types, so stocks, ETFs, your account, which you can select, any symbols that you want to invest for recurringly, your frequency, and your start date. So let's do an example here. So let's start with FXAIX, which is the Fidelity S&P 500 index fund. So the first thing I'm going to do is select mutual funds under security type since we're buying an index fund. So go here, click on mutual funds. Next, we're going to select the account that you want to buy in. So I'm going to buy my regular brokerage account. So once you've selected your account, you're going to add your symbol. So click on add symbol. And then you're going to type in the index fund. So today's going to be FXAIX. You can see here, you're going to click on that little plus icon there and then click on done. Now it's going to ask you to put in an amount that you want to buy. So let's just put $100 here. Click done. So you're going to select the frequency. So click on that. Let's do weekly and you can select the day as well. So let's do Fridays and you can select the start date and then end date if you want. And you can select if you want to use a linked bank account. So click on that and then you can select your account. Or if you have cash in your brokerage account already, you can just use that. So once you do that, you're going to click on preview here. And then you're going to see your final preview page before you confirm. So security type, mutual funds, your account, the symbol, which is FXAIX, the total, the frequency, the day, the start date, and the end date. So all you're going to do is click confirm. And that's it. Now let's say you've set up a recurring investment, but you want to make some modifications or just get rid of it in general. How do you do that? Very simple. So you're going to click on the transact icon once again. You're going to click on automate here. And you're going to click on recurring activity at the bottom here. So click that. And you can see I currently have a recurring activity. And all you have to do is click on the recurring activity and just cancel it. It's literally that simple. One tip I want to add is that each recurring activity executes as a market order every single day, which is perfect for dollar cost averaging. Overall, automating your investing helps you stay disciplined, reduce emotional investing, and potentially helps you improve your returns over time. That is it for today's video, guys. If you learned anything, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more future videos just like this. Make sure you also drop a comment on which videos you would like to see next. Your life is a masterpiece, so let's unlock your full financial potential together. Make sure you check out some of my other videos, and I will catch you in the next one. Take care.